India is located on which part of Indo-Australian plate? And the correct option is northern part. The pass that connects Himachal Pradesh and Tibet is? And the correct option is the Sipkila Pass. Which one is the highest peak in Aravalli range? And the correct option is Guru Shikhar. Which state shares its international border with Bangladesh and Myanmar? And the correct option is Tripura. The Chilika Lake is located in? And the correct option is Odisha. India's only active volcano is located in which island? And the correct option is Barren Island. Which of the following river does not originate in Indian territory? And the correct option is Brahmaputra. Old alluvial soil is known as? And the correct option is Bangar. The Lakshadweep archipelago is formed on? And the correct option is atoll. Which of the following are the youngest mountains? And the correct option is Himalayas. Which city is not on the river bank of Yamuna? And the correct option is Kannauj. What is the total length of Indian coastline? And the correct option is 7517 km. Which one is the largest coastal lagoon in India? And the correct option is Chilika Lake. Which one is the highest altitude hill station in India? And the correct option is Leh. Kodaikanal hill station is located in? And the correct option is Tamil Nadu. Which line passes through India? And the correct option is Tropic of Cancer. The hill station Ooty is located in which mountain? And the correct option is Nilgiri mountain. In which city the Yamuna river merging with the river Ganga? And the correct option is Allahabad. Kovalam beach is located in which state? And the correct option is Kerala. Mehrangarh fort is located in which city? And the correct option is Jodhpur. Which one is the largest fort in India? And the correct option is Chittorgarh Fort. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? And the correct option is Rajasthan. Valley of Flowers National Park is found on the mountain of and the correct option is Nanda Devi. Bangalore city is located on the river bank of and the correct option is Brisavavati. Which one is the longest beach in India? And the correct option is Marina Beach.